one, but yes, and I'm passionate about it. So I feel I'm very happy currently.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Firstly,
Yes.
thank you for the amazing talk. It really helped. So, I am somebody who wish to prepare for civil service in future. So, I was talking to a friend who's doing preparation right now. So, he was preparing for the last 2 years. He has given mains once, and he's going to give the mains once more. So this time when I was talking, he was like, after this I'll quit because I don't think there's much use. I'll give my best and see what happens. I think that's the best mentality we should do. But if he has thought of giving this a chance, like if he has thought that this is something he wants to do, why does he feel like quitting? When should we know that this is the point we should quit or we should keep continuing? What should be the mentality we should have at that point?
This is what I wanted to change. That you should be preparing for any competitive exam, especially UPSC exam, along with degree programs. So, I generally don't talk about it, but yes, so what is Tadhastu? Tadhastu is where we have integrated BA with UPSC, MBA with UPSC. So it is like you do your MBAs and simultaneously you prepare for UPSC exam. So that it is not a waste of time. Rather, I would say you don't tell anybody you are preparing for UPSC. You save that time. And even after, maybe it's your third attempt or fourth attempt, you join either some course or some job and you prepare along with it. There is no point just preparing for an exam. You prepare well along with a backup. This keeps the mental balance, you become more empowered. And we all know that so many candidates each year clear the exam while doing their jobs, while doing their degrees. So this is what. So if rather than quitting, I would suggest that he should join some part-time job or freelancing or some job and prepare simultaneously because he must have studied it all. He just needs revision and practice maybe.
Okay, ma'am. So it's better to like initially start with a job and preparing or just give 1 year or 2 year in the beginning entirely for this?
Depending on the risk-taking capability of that person. Some people are very too much into or very hardworking in the sense that they want to give 100% to their degree programs. Like, is there anyone who studies full year for their, the courses? 6 months. एग्जाम से पहले आजा एग्जाम से 1 महीना पहले कौन पढ़ना शुरू करता है? 15 दिन, 10, 1 हफ्ता, 3 दिन, 1 दिन. You got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. मैम जैसे कि हमारा सोसाइटी में काफ़ी स्टीरियोटाइप, जैसे ये रिसर्च कॉलेज है तो मैम यहाँ पे एवरीवन इज थिंकिंग अबाउट लाइक ये इंटर्नशिप ले ली, मैं ये रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, बट देयर आर ऑल्सो सम स्टूडेंट जिनका रिसर्च में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. सो मैम हमारे को ऐसा फोमो फील होता है कि लाइक वी आर डूइंग समथिंग गुड और नॉट, लाइक मैं इंटर्नशिप नहीं ले रहा तो क्या मैं ठीक कर रहा हूँ या नहीं. सो जस्ट लाइक मैम जैसे आप सिविल सर्विस में थे, सो लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आपसे कहते होंगे लाइक कि यार यू डू नॉट लेफ्ट योर जॉब, आप ये टीचिंग लाइन में मत जाओ. सो जस्ट मैम आप उस टाइम पे अपने आप को कैसे मोटिवेटेड रखते थे कि जस्ट लाइक हमारी तरह के हमारे को इंटर्नशिप नहीं लेनी या कुछ और जगह पे जाना है, बिजनेस वगैरह समथिंग. सो हम अपने आप को कैसे मोटिवेटेड रखें एक अलग रास्ते को रखते हुए?
इग्नोर. उसे वनीला पसंद है, मुझे चॉकलेट, किसी को बटर स्कॉच. सिंपल.
बट मैम सबके साथ जब चॉकलेट खा रहे होते हैं ना तो ऐसा लगता है कि अपन
ज्यादातर लोगों को वनीला पसंद है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू लाइक वनीला? है ना चॉकलेट. अच्छा, और बटर स्कॉच? और किस किस को कीवी वाली आइसक्रीम पसंद है? देखो नंबर कम हो गया। अभी इसके अंदर एवोकाडो, और नंबर कम हो गया। और एग्जॉटिक जाएंगे और नंबर कम हो जाएगा। सिंपल। Just because everyone is doing it, that doesn't mean that I have to like it. And it is very important to understand that we were not born to impress anybody. We were not born to impress. We were born to live. So we will live according to our own conditions and preferences. दूसरे क्या सोचते हैं? दूसरों ने तो, लोगों ने तो अमिताभ बच्चन को भी फेलियर बोल दिया था, है ना? शाहरुख खान को फेलियर बोल दिया था, मोदी जी को पता नहीं क्या क्या बोला, है ना? सो यू टेक एनी, एलॉन मस्क को क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं? सो पीपल विल से समथिंग। तुम कुछ नहीं भी करोगे तब भी